And in those days, there were no, at least in the Orthodox homes, I'm going back now to pretty close to World War I, the 20s, and there was no such thing as dairy on Peysakh. So that we had, say for example, matzoh with chicken fat. And I can just see it now, you know. My grandmother would say, you want a bite? She would say, naturally she'd say in Yiddish, "Willst essen?" And that would be for just a snack. And especially my brother and I, who were both good eaters, we would have as much matzoh and Schmaltz as we could get our hands on. So to this day, I remember that. But then, I don't know at what point it was that dairy became available, kosher Peysakh dairy, yeah. And that changed things quite a bit. But it was, I mean, you ask about special foods. Yeah, and I'm sure you're familiar with grievin. Are you familiar with that? It would be pieces of chicken fat that were fried, and they were delicious. So that was another thing that went on in the house. When my mother made the chicken for the chicken soup, she'd always have some grievin left, and my brother and I were fighting over it all the time. That's, I mean, that's, you know, it's a small thing, but it's the kind of thing you remember, yeah.